Now let's see the option Excel Workbook, OneLake Catalog, SQL Server and Database. These are all the data sources where we can get the data from. Okay, that they have given as a simple option here. Okay, once you click this SQL Server, you can connect to the data source directly. Like that, Excel Workbook, OneLake Catalog and Database. These are all help you to get connected with the data resources.
Now let's see the option enter data. Okay, imagine you have a data source in Excel workbook, CSV files folder or any database. You can use the option get data and select that particular data source, and your data will be connected to this desktop and you can create a report. But now you have the data in handy. Okay, you don't store the data in any particular resources. Okay, in that case you can use this enter data option. Click on this enter data and here you can type your data instantly and connect to this Power BI desktop and create your report immediately. For example, I am creating column 1 ID 101, 102, 103 and column 2 something like name. Okay, Alice, Bob, Charlie. Okay, two column is enough just for understanding. Delete the remaining column and give us student table. Click on load. Okay, here instantly you have created a table, entered your data and connect to this Power BI desktop. Here you can see your data is loaded in data pane. Now it's ready to create any visuals. For example, I am creating one matrix with ID and name. You can see Alice, rows and columns I just giving. Okay, you can see 103 is Charlie, like that. When you want to instantly enter your data and create a report, you can use this option enter data. Now let's see the recent resources option. Okay, click on this recent resources. It will list down the all files you have used recently to create a report. Okay, you don't need to go every time get data and select the data resource and browse the file and get it to your data pane. Instead of that, this will save your time by within one click. You can see my all sales data will be coming to data pane with one click. Recent resources. Okay. Next option, refresh. Once you are performing some operations, now you need to see the changes here. Click on the refresh and you have the option. Only you want to refresh the schema or only you want to refresh the data or both, you can select here. According to this, your report can be refreshed. Next one, new visual. Once you click on this, new visual will be automatically created here. Now you can drag and drop the fields which you want. For particular category, I need to see the unit price. You can see new visual, you can able to create it here. And next, text box. Once you click on this, text box will be created. Now you can able to enter any data here. Text here. I am creating like sales board dashboard. Okay, select this and you can able to format it here. I am increasing the size and the font I am changing to Courier New. Okay, and the color I can able to change it here to the red, and I am bolding here, italic here, underlining here. Okay, changing the alignment, center, left, right, and indent I can able to adjust and insert link. Once you click this particular text for particular website, you can give here. Okay, you can see control Z will undo the operation, and superscript, subscript. Okay, and bulleted numbered list, you can give it here. For example, I am giving here numbered list like 100, 200, 300. You can see, if you want this as a numbered one, you can select this all bullet list and click on numbered list, click on bullet list, it will change like that. Okay, these are all the format things you can able to do this in the text box. Okay, and next option is more visuals. Once you click on this, you have two options, from app source, from my files. You can see here many visuals are there. These are called default visuals, which is already available in your Power BI desktop. Other than this, any visual you want to use in your report, you can get it from here. Like from app source means any Power Apps or any templates from other application, you can get it through here. From my files means if you have any Power BI visual that imported stored in your local folder, you can get it from my files. Okay, and next one, new measure. Okay, here you can see this is our columns. Okay, in this case, if you want to create any new measure, click on this new measure, it will give you the bar here. Okay, you can able to create your measure. For example, I am creating total unit price. Okay, this measure I can able to create here. I am using the DAX function sum in all sales table, sum of unit price. This value I am assigning to total unit price name. You can see total unit price is sum of unit price. Okay, like that you can able to create new measure with this new measure option. And click on quick measure. Instead of writing this formula, you can get this quick measure instantly. For example, once you click on quick measure, another quick measure pane will be open here. Here you can able to see a select calculation. Already this formula is written. Okay, from this list you can select whichever you want. For example, here I am selecting some filtered value function. In this case, here for example, base value is category. No, base value is unit price. Okay, I need to see the unit price for which filter, for some specific city. For example, customer city, I need Miami. Okay, what's the requirement? I need to see the unit price for particular city, Miami only. Okay, add this quick measure here. Can see the quick measure is created. This is the formula. You don't need to write it manually. From the quick measure pen, you can just drag and drop. This formula will be created automatically for you. Now let's see the result for this. Click on the table visual. What are the fields we have used? Customer city and unit price. Okay, here you can see this is the customer city and the unit price is this one. For Miami, you can see 345. Now click on this quick measure. Try to include this in the visual. Now you can see sum of unit price for Miami 345. You can see 345, 345. Okay, that's what we can instantly create quick measure with the drag and drop function. This is the use for this option. And publish. Now this publish will help you to publish this report to a Power BI service. Okay, once you finished your report creation, you can click on this publish. Now it will ask you to save. Yes, click save. Now it will ask you to name the file like a demo of Power BI, click on save. Now it will publish to my particular account. Here you can see it's asking my email address where I can publish this report. Okay, click give your Power BI report account. It will ask you to sign in to your Microsoft website. Once you signed in, it will ask where you want to publish. Publish to Power BI My Workspace. Okay, click on select. Now publishing this demo Power BI file into my Power BI service. Okay, open. Here you can see my report is published in online Power BI service app.powerbi.com. Okay, now you can able to share it to others. Okay, this is what the publish option will work. And coming to prepare data for AI, this option will help you to simplify your data schema. Like for example, it prepares your semantic model for Copilot. Okay, here you can see Copilot option is there now. For using this Copilot option, your semantic model need to be ready by using this option. Okay, it will optimize the data schemas like defining the business terminologies and managing verified answers like that. Okay, once you prepare this data schema for AI, then you can go and use your Copilot. Okay, Copilot option. This Copilot option will help you to get the data for your reports. For example, if you want to summarize the data of your report, or you want to any suggestion for report content, or creating the report pages, those options easily performed with using this Copilot. Okay, once you click Copilot, it asks you to select a workspace. You can select and proceed for your data usage. Okay,